Boss said I get to do a fun video today, so I'm spinning this random wheel, and whatever it lands on, I'm gonna 3D model and print to, like, have. If you've seen any of my card pack openings, you kind of already know what I'm talking about, as they're usually in the back of those videos. I just thought it would be cool to make another one. And hopefully we get a pretty easy one, because I am not good at Blender. I was so hoping I'd get this one. Yes! Alright, let's go model this thing. I'm gonna get my card reference here. Now, just because the card looks a certain way, that doesn't mean that's necessarily the pose that we're gonna do for Snoof. I mean, just look at him. There's not much going on, so he might get the same pose. First things first, we're gonna delete that. Now, keep in mind, I don't know how to model, like, at all. So, this is gonna be great. Alright, so we have a sphere. I made a semicircle. Okay, so we pretty much have the basis. We just kind of need to rough it up a little bit. Can we, like, randomize? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna not do that. What if we do just these to randomize? No, I want to, like, reverse bevel. What? Can't we extrude from... Okay, but, like, actually, can't we... Yeah, that one. That's the one. Did that work? Wait, hold up. I might be cooking. Yo, hold on. Might be cooking. And then, if we go back to X-ray, I gotta sneeze, hold on. And then we get those ones, and then we extrude those out. Yo, hold on. Oh, no, that's breaking it. Oh, did that work? That may have worked. Yo, hold on. Dude, I'm actually cooking. I don't know what this is about. Here, what if we go into sculpt mode? And we just kind of, like, I don't know, inflate. Sure. You know what, let's just do random things here. Okay, what is with this part? Go away. Why does he have a tail? I don't understand. Go away. Ooh, oh yeah, there we go. We've made a rock. You know, I'm gonna file save this as a rock. So now, what if we inflate along the bottom here to kind of make it look like my boy is a pile of snow. Yeah, oh yeah, it's all coming together. There we go. Alright, my boy is looking good. Alright, so we're gonna, like, big inflate his nubbin here. We're gonna give him a nubbin. There we go. There's nubbin 1. And then on the other side, we're gonna make a nubbin 2. There we go. Look at that. It's my boy. Okay, and now he just needs eyes. Less detail. Yeah. There we go. We have made a bean. So that's eyeball 1. We just need to now attach it to this guy. How do we do that? I don't know. He's kind of dumb looking. But you know, who isn't? Now we just need his little smile. I am gonna try to touch this up more. Someone stop me, or I'm literally never gonna be done. Alright, now we gotta export as an STL, and then we'll send that to the 3D printer. Assuming my 3D printer has still working. Now we're gonna print this bad boy. No login account. What are we doing? Dude, if there's broken filament in there, I swear I'm gonna cry. Yeah, it took 15 minutes to just print the thing. Alright, the issue should be fixed. It has been 3 hours. Like, I don't think you understand. Like, I had to take apart everything. Like, this better work. Here, put on screen now what I had to do. Yep, the piece was in the extruder. And yeah, that little 1/4 inch piece, yeah, super fun. Oh my goodness. My child. I can't do it. There it goes. The child. Alright, here he is, and it's really hard to see because he's reflecting all the light. There we go. So now, you got the Sharpie. We're just gonna put his face on. Here, I'm gonna bring this closer so that I don't mess this up. Honestly, that tracks. And there he is. The Sharpie is still a little wet, so it's a little shiny, but that's him. There he be. Don't ask what happened at the set, I don't want to talk about it. You should subscribe and tell me how I did. Cool.